Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to do autofill on your Google Sheets document on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your documents and you just need to prepare the data. So actually the autofill is helping you to make a shortcuts way to fill or do the work, filling all of the cells with the same format. With the main cells. So here let's say I will like to fill the main cells first, so I will like to put number 1 and 2 here, and then you just need to block all of the cells in the same columns, and after that just go click the cells and there will be an options to autofill right here. Just go click it and there will be filled right away with the number, and you can do for the rest. So here I already put the formula. So if you don't want to read or write all of the formula by yourself, you just need to like block all of the cells with the mains included, and after that go click it and do click autofill. So that's the way guys how to do autofill in a Google Sheet on mobile phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.